today I want to talk about 5 things that first-time homebuyers might not know. Hey everybody, my name is Jessica Dorsey and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over 5 things that first-time homebuyers might not know. Thing number 1, you don't pay your mortgage payment that next month. So typically, mortgage companies will let you skip a month. So if you close on a house in October, you are not going to pay for your first round of mortgage payments until December. So keep that in mind when you're sitting at the closing table and kind of realizing the amount of money that you're putting into everything, that you do have a little bit of a reprieve. Number 2, while mortgages are due on the 1st, they are not considered late until the 15th. I know as renters, we are coming from maybe 7-day grace period in certain cities and states, but with mortgages, typically, they are not considered late until the 15th. Yes, they're due on the 1st, but if you're kind of coming up short that next month, you technically have until the 15th to get that in there before it's even considered late. Number 3, you do not pay your buyer's agent. I know. Realize us because we are free for you. Typically, sellers and listing agents have an agreement as part of their listing contract what the commission is going to be for a buyer's agent. So if the listing agent happens to bring a buyer, they are owed a certain amount of commission. But if a buyer's agent brings a buyer, we are also owed a certain amount of commission. So that's why when sellers are sitting down and the listing agent says 6%, the listing agent is first off not getting that 6% ever. Automatically, half of that, usually half of it, goes towards the buyer's agents. There's typically a different breakdown as far as brokerages and how they handle splits and things and taxes, of course. So I can get into that later if people are interested, but just know that in 99.99999% of the time, you are not going to be paying your buyer's agent. Make sure you check your exclusive agreement that you have with your agent just to confirm that. There are some agents that will say if 3% is a standard commission and for whatever reason the seller is only offering 2.8, you may be liable for that 0.2%. I know that there are typically clauses within those exclusive agreements that state if you're dealing with a for sale by owner or a FSBO, if that for sale by owner is not willing to pay your agent, you're either going to have to pay your agent or cut ties. But if you have an exclusive agreement, depending on what's written in there, you're going to pay your agent. But 99.99% of the time, we are free for you. Thing number 4, most people think FHA is the way to go if you're looking for a low down payment. That is not true. Home Ready and Home Possible are both conventional options. So talk with your lender and see if they think that those programs would be right for you. Because I'm telling you right now, conventional loans are easier to get accepted right now in this market. That doesn't mean you're out of the game if you're only pre-approved for an FHA, but conventional overall is going to be easier to get you in there. Thing number 5, lender credit. Talk to your lender and ask them if they can offer you any sort of lender credit. So some might automatically do this, others might do it as a promotional thing. Others may adjust your interest rate in order to kind of give a credit back to you. So it's definitely worth asking because the answer is always no unless you ask. Alright guys, I know that was a quick video today, but I hope you found it valuable. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do new videos every Wednesday. Alright everybody, have a great day.